Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the third tutorial for Bootstrap for beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is Bootstrap for Grid Basic. What we discuss on today? Bootstrap for Grid Basics and Grid Classes. I will explain with the example also, and I will provide some description about the grid system and the grid classes. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provides all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I am going to topic. What we discuss on today? Bootstrap for grid basics and grid classes. Bootstrap for grid system and grid classes. Bootstrap for grid system is built with the flexbox. Sorry, Bootstrap for grid system is built with the flexbox and allows up to 12 columns across the page. Bootstrap for grid system is built with the flexbox and allows up to 12 columns across the page. This is the total 12 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the 4 responsive equal parts. You can take here. This is the responsive. And next one is the 12 columns across the page. Here, this is the 12 columns across the page. And next, if you do not want to use all 12 columns individually, you can group the columns together to create wider columns. The grid system is responsive and the columns will rearrange automatically depending on the screen size. If you do not want to use all 12 columns individually, you can group the columns together to create wider columns. The grid system is responsive and the columns will rearrange automatically depending on the screen size. The columns will be rearranged automatically depending on the screen size. Okay. Make sure that the sum adds up to 12 are favor. It is not required that use all 12 available columns. Bootstrap grid classes. The Bootstrap for grid system has 5 classes. Bootstrap for grid system has 5 classes. First one is the call access, extra small images, screen width less than 576 pixel. What is that? Bootstrap for grid system has 5 classes totally. Call access, extra small images, screen width less than 576 pixel. And second one is the col-sm. Col-sm, col means column. Column sm, small images, screen width equal to greater than 576 pixel. And third one is the col-md, medium images, screen width equal to or greater than 768 pixel. And fourth one is the col-lg, large images, screen width equal to or greater than 992 pixel. And last one is the col-xl, extra large images, screen width equal to or greater than 1200 pixel. The classes above can be combined to create more dynamic and flexible layouts. How to write these 12 columns I will explain. Type HTML, sorry, title, Bootstrap for grid system. Bootstrap for grid system. Meta char set equal to UTF-8. Meta char set UTF-8. Meta name equal to viewport meta name equal to viewport, content equal to width equal to device width, equal to device width, initial scale equal to 1, link relation, style sheet, href, bootstrap css, bootstrap inner css, type tester css, script source bootstrap js, jQuery inner.js, script source bootstrap js, bootstrap proper inner.js, and next one script source bootstrap js, bootstrap inner.js. Here I am calling the bootstrap libraries only. Here I am write body, div, class, container, col-sm1, style, padding, 10 pixel, background color, col-sm1. Okay. Okay. Let's check the output. H1, bootstrap grid session and sorry, bootstrap grid classes. H2, called responsive equal columns. Yeah, okay. Called responsive equal columns. And second one is the for responsive equal columns. Do plus row. Sorry. Yeah, for responsive equal columns. Next, I will write the unequal columns. H2 two unequal responsive columns. Okay. Suppose I will write 3. First one is the 3. Okay. No problem. Second one is the 5. col-sm 5. Background color is green. Okay. Next one is 2. Blue. Three unequal responsive columns. You can minimize. These are the first one is the 12 equal responsive columns, and second one is the 4 responsive equal columns. First one 1, 2, 3, 4 responsive equal columns, and third one is the 3 unequal responsive columns. First one is the 3, second one is the 5, 2, and 1. be unequal for unequal responsive columns. And next one is the two responsive equal columns. Two responsive equal columns. Do class row. Do class col-sm6 style background color green, padding 15 pixel, col-sm6 single row, do class col-sm12 style background color dark green, padding 15 pixel, col-sm12. Okay, now so we'll check the output. So responsive equal columns and single row. So guys, this is the Bootstrap grid system and the grid classes. Sorry, I hope we all understand how to write the Bootstrap grid classes and what is the grid system. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like SEO, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM, complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can right click at notifications. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.